softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free.
Nagpunta kami dito ni Tim sa Liz Liquor kasi paparating na po yung mom-in-law ko. Magbabakasyon po ulit siya dito sa Vegas. Kaya naisipan ng asawa ko na bilhan yung mom-in-law ko ng wine. And itong area na to is malapit lang din sa bahay namin.
I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. Told me you don't really do commitment, trust me. Consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved, 'cause I never wanna.
Nalilito ako dito kung ano yung gustong wine ng mom ni Tim. So, ang ginawa ko, si Tim na lang ang pinapili ko. Habang ako dito ay nagvi-video, sobrang na-amaze kasi ako sa iba't ibang klase ng wine. And then yung mga style din ng lagayan niya, yung bottles at saka yung mga label, nakaka-attract din siyang tignan. Excited na rin akong makita uli yung mom-in-law ko. At least kahit papano may kasama ako dito sa bahay, lalo na't manganganak ako at ako lang mag-isa. Mula sa bahay nila, ang pinakamalapit na airport is Portland, Oregon. So, ang biyahe po nun, 2 hours mahigit yung flight. So, medyo malayo-layo din from Portland, Oregon, papunta dito sa Las Vegas. Kaya naawa naman ako sa kanya. Pero sinabihan ako ni Tim na yun yung happiness ng mom niya. Mahilig talaga yun mag-travel and lalo na may apo na siya soon. So, sobrang excited din po niyang pupunta at magbakasyon ulit dito sa amin.
I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. No, I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Yeah, we can still have fun for now.